Welcome. In today's guide, we'll show you how to send GIFs on WhatsApp Web using your PC with the latest update. This new shortcut makes sharing GIFs faster and easier than ever. Let's dive straight into the steps. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the WhatsApp web page and scanning the QR code with your phone to log in. Once logged in, you'll see all your chats displayed on the screen. Next, select the chat where you want to send a GIF. This could be a conversation with a friend, family member, or even a group chat. Simply click on the chat to open it. Here's where the magic happens. Press Ctrl P Alt G on your keyboard. This shortcut instantly opens the GIF selection menu, saving you time compared to manually navigating through icons. Now, browse through the available GIFs or use the search bar to find something specific that fits your mood or message. Once you've found the perfect GIF, click on it to select it. Finally, hit Enter or click the Send button to share your chosen GIF in the chat. And that's it. Your GIF will appear in the conversation, ready to bring some fun and expression to your messages. This new shortcut makes sending GIFs on WhatsApp Web incredibly quick and efficient. Whether you're sharing a funny reaction or expressing yourself with animation, it's never been easier to keep your chats lively and engaging. Thanks for tuning in. Try out this feature today and enjoy adding a creative touch to your conversations.